talk about the premiere of the ballet Rite of Spring and its incredibly rowdy audience. This is Igor Fyodorovich Stravinsky, one of the most famous composers in music and ballet history, and the composer of the now well-known and beloved ballet Rite of Spring. The equally famous ballet choreographer Nijinsky choreographed the ballet, and all of upper-class Paris was afire to see its premiere. However, upon seeing the ballet and its, quote, ugly, heavy, unquote, movements, reflecting an indigenous society that carried out sacrificial rites each spring to encourage the harvest, the audience grew angry and went so far as to throw things at the orchestra and even the dancers as they were performing. Eventually, the audience calmed, and the culmination of the performance was met with applause and curtain calls of the dancers, the choreographer, and composer. However, critics of the day described the ballet as outrageous, ungraceful, unmusical, and a laborious and puerile barbarity, unquote. In my estimation, Stravinsky and Nijinsky were both creators ahead of their time, and The Rite of Spring is, of course, now one of the most celebrated ballets in performance history. Crazy, huh? Stay tuned for another episode of Crazy Classical Stories coming again soon.